So this is the difference knitting world. Welcome. So this is for beginners, those that yet to learn how to cast on the yarn on the pins. So this is a guide on how to cast on pins. Okay, how to cast on your yarn on the knitting machine. So okay, let me start this. So it's not a must that I'll hang this, but for the beginners, let me hang it so you won't get confused. By the time you become a professor in knitting, you won't even bother making use of this. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so this is how you start. You make a loop. Okay, make a loop. Okay, let me take in some pins so that to be clear enough. Alright, so this is the loop. Okay, then you go like so, hold the two ends together, hold very tight. Okay, then you go this way, go this way, go this way. Okay, alright, alright. Just take your time. You don't need to be fast on this because you're still learning. Okay, you don't need to be fast on this. Just take your time whenever you're casting on your knitting yarn. Alright, so when you're done, make your first pass. Make your first pass. It is advisable whenever you make your first pass, make sure you bring down all the pins you're working with. I repeat, the pins you're working with. Make sure you bring down the pins you're working with. Alright, so you won't have holes on your work. You might, if you didn't bring out this, you might experience some of the yarn dropping and you would find it difficult to carry on. Alright, so you bring down, when you make the first pass, bring down all the pins you're working with. Alright, then you make the second pass, you do the same thing, bring down all the pins. The third pass, you still bring down the pins you're working with. Alright, fourth pass, you you still bring down all the pins. Then at the fifth pass, you are now good to go. You're now good to go. So you can leave on without bringing down the pin. Okay. So you're now covered. When you bring down the first, second, third, fourth, you're good to go. There's no need bringing down the pins again unless you notice your yarn dropped and you corrected it. Okay, since you're a beginner, you can now, when you're done correcting, you can now bring down the particular one you corrected. All right. Okay. So that is it for casting on the yarn on your knitting machine. Okay. So this also applies to if you're making use of the hoop, if you're not combing out any pin. I made it this way for it to be clearly seen when I was casting on. Okay, if you're working with the whole pin, like if it's a dimensionless work, you still follow the same procedure. Okay, you still follow the same procedure. So that is it. So I hope you find this helpful. If you have any question, you can drop on the comment section. All right, please, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for you to be getting notifications when I post new videos. All right, so also like, share and comment on our video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Yeah, and do have a nice day. We hope to see you next time. All right, thank you very much.